Clients expect, and have every right to expect, that we will assist them in improving the delivery of health care. They have high expectations for us in the OR and how we do our job. And so we succeed when we meet and exceed those customer expectations.
We really depend on specialty care to provide the services in a way that are most efficient, highest quality, and help us drive down our costs to our patients.
As we're pushing the envelope and developing new therapies and new techniques, the expectation of our perfusionists, our specialty care people, is extremely high. The technology is changing, and groups like Specialty Care keep up with us.
Neuromonitoring plays a critical role in spinal surgery, particularly now more than ever. There's no way we can safely do the cases without neuromonitoring. Specialty Care does deliver an excellent product. They keep a very high standard of the people that are in the OR, and it's just been a great working relationship.
One of the things that makes Specialty Care unique is its emphasis on the collection of quality metrics. It also has an important financial and economic impact. There's a reduction in the length of hospital stay. There's a reduction in rehab costs. This has a significant impact on the bottom line for our hospital clients.
All the people at Specialty Care have been great about facilitating my cases and making my OR run as successfully as possible.
Right now, hospitals are facing a lot of challenges in the sterile processing department with having their instrumentation on time, instrument sets free of bioburden, and what Specialty Care does, we have a program in place where we monitor and provide proactive audits on all of our instrument sets and all of the different processes going through the department, making sure that we are meeting the hospital's expectations.
The sterile processing department, those people are very, very important. We don't see them, they're in the background, but they're critical to the success of everything that goes on with the patient.
When Specialty Care came here, they've gotten all of our employees certified. We actually have management in place back there that's certified. They're bringing in knowledge from hospitals all across the country, best practices that we just didn't have access to before.
Sometimes we know about the changes in regulations and standards that the Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation or Joint Commission is going to be putting in place because we sit on some of those boards and some of those committees and help write the standards. And we can bring them into the hospital and start making the changes before the hospital is even aware that it's going to be changed.
Specialty Care really brought a whole new level of service to the anesthesiology group. You know, they're just at our side at a moment's notice. They are incredibly responsive to what we need and to the changing needs of the group.
Our partner success is all about having successful and better operating rooms.
What impresses me most about the Specialty Care team is that they have provided just consistently bright and enthusiastic individuals. They have definitely earned my trust as a partner in patient care.
You know, one of the great things about Specialty Care, while we're a big organization, we understand that we're only as good as our clinician that's in that operating room working with that surgical team. You know, our focus as an organization is to provide the information, the education, the analytics, so they know that their performance is outstanding and or where they can improve their performance.
Data is a differentiator for Specialty Care because there's nothing more important than being able to demonstrate better clinical outcomes.
When I first started, we didn't have anyone to take care of the instrumentation. The instrumentation is complex. You have to have people that know the instrumentation, know how to deal with it, repair it, have it available, all these things. Fortunately, companies like Specialty Care came along and realized that that was a very important missing piece, and it took a long time to convince the hospitals that it was cost effective to manage my minimally invasive instruments. It's critical to have the instruments you need. You know, it makes or breaks the operation.
During the case, we're in the room, we're there to give verbal technical support to the OR staff. If a Specialty Care associate put together a tray, it's going to be 100% every single time.
They're knowledgeable, they know my routine, they know my instruments. I have complete trust in all of them.